clean before you take care of your beard in many different forms. Clean your hands, clean your tools, clean your actual beard, and we'll talk about all those things today. But a quick introduction, my name is Dan C. Bearded. Thank you for checking this video and channel out. If you guys are excited to learn about beard care, hit a thumbs up for me. If you're new here, consider subscribing if you want to learn more about beards. And shout out to those returning subscribers. I appreciate you all. Okay, I'm going to get right to it. When you are taking care of your beard, when you're grooming your beard, you want to do so in a clean manner for several reasons. For the health of your beard, for just general health of yourself, and just the ooh kind of factor. And I'll explain all of those. The first one. Wash your hands, you guys. Whether it's with dish soap, whether it's with hand soap, whether it's with bar soap, wash your hands before taking care of your beard, especially applying products, right? Imagine that you have dirty fingertips. You got stuff under your nails, and you're getting those beard products and you're massaging them into your pores like you're supposed to. What if you're introducing dirt? What if you're introducing bacteria and germs and things that you don't want? And you're introducing beard products that are going to seal and lock those things in? That's not good all the way around. Additionally, let's say you're getting ready for bed at night and you're like, hey, I'm going to apply some beard butter. You open it up, you dig in, and you're going to apply it to your beard. Well, if your hands are dirty, you're digging into that beard butter. All that nastiness you put in here is just going to sit in here. It's just going to grow. It's going to be there the next time. Maybe the next time you use this is after a shower and you are feeling clean. You feel good. Well, you're then sticking your finger into a dirty beard butter. So please wash your hands before ever applying beard products. That one I feel very strongly about, and I think it's just a case of most people don't think about it. They're not considering it. They're just going about their day. They're tired. I do believe it's worth it. And there may be people that are saying, man, it's just a beard. You're going too serious on this and stuff. I would highly encourage you to wash your hands before putting these products into your beard, no matter who you are, no matter what your stance is. I think that's just a good practice. All right, next one would be wash your tools. Same concept. Let's say you have a comb, a brush. Let's say that you have a heated brush and you apply your products and now you're going in. If this is dirty, you're bringing all of this dirtiness from this into your beard. Same over here. Now, I do have a couple of videos that are older ones, but doing really well. If you just search like how to clean a boar's bristle brush, I have a video that demonstrates it and breaks it down. I have another one that says, how do you clean a beard comb? And we'll go over these, and I'm going to give you my new kind of thoughts on cleaning a heated brush and what I did just a couple of days ago. But with a comb, one of my best tricks that I've ever had, and I've talked about this before, is I have a couple different combs and I rotate them in and out of the shower. So this will hang in the shower. I will wash my beard, and when I do that, I'll comb through. Well, that beard wash and in the shower with the warm water is cleaning this comb as I go through. Now, once a week or so, I will get some beard wash on here. I will scrub it and go in with an old toothbrush to make sure it's really clean. But that daily cleaning in the shower does a really good job, especially if you rotate some combs in and out of the shower. So make sure you're cleaning those. All right, a heated brush. I use one every single day on my mustache and on my sideburns. The biggest pain in the butt with pretty much every heated brush out there that's a good quality one is cleaning it. How do you clean it when the teeth are this close together, right? It's very, very difficult. A toothbrush doesn't get down there. Most things don't get down there. Well, something that I did next, and first, let me go over the basis of cleaning these. Remove the buildup and use some kind of alcohol to be able to go through. This is what I use, and the game changer for me was this spray top bottle, so I can just go and go through. Very nice, especially as opposed to just like dumping the bottle. Find yourself a little spray bottle of alcohol, and it's gonna really help out. Well, what I did yesterday is I busted out this bad boy. Most of you have this, whether it's for glasses or little kids' toys. Very simple. You get into these really small screws. I think it should pick it up here. And there are 6 screws, 2 at the back, 2 in the middle, 2 in the front. I removed them yesterday. I did post some pictures on my Instagram. If you guys want to see like behind the scenes stuff, check out Dan C. Beard on Instagram. I removed this, and what it did was it took out these outer like little guards that they had. It allowed me to just get to those heating mechanisms on the inside. And I used the alcohol, I used a toothpick, I used an old toothbrush, but I also used one of these. And I think this is mainly intended to be, if this will show it well, this is mainly intended to be something that cleans out like straw. straws. I don't know if it came with like my kids cups or whatever, but I used it and it was a great tool at getting inside of here and really going in and scrubbing, and especially while using this alcohol. I put it back together, I turned it on, burnt off the alcohol, right, which will evaporate away. No worries there with your hair. No problems whatsoever. So whenever I clean this from now on, I will be removing these screws and I will be doing that. I don't know if the manufacturer recommends that or anything, but for me, it worked and I was very happy with it. And then the last one is clean your beard, right? You don't want to be applying a beard products to a dirty beard. You don't want to lock it in. You don't want to trap those pores with bad stuff in there. Very simple. Use beard wash, of course, and do your best to keep your beard clean. So in summary, wash your hands, wash your tools, and wash your beard. Just a simple, gentle reminder out there because we get caught up in the day-to-day business and we can't always think about the very simple things. So comments down below. Thoughts, experiences, questions. Is there something that you're wondering? And I'll go in more detail if I need to about cleaning a heated brush, about cleaning a comb, about cleaning a brush. I can link the videos to you guys. Let me know. Please don't ever hesitate to ask a question or request clarity or clarification. I'm here to help you guys out. That's what I do. That's what I love. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching today, but let me get into my real one. Thank you guys for watching today. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.